Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 25 of the Cougar Connection. We had a really great week here at Simons Middle School last week. We had our club day for the month of February. Students got to enjoy many different clubs, and they usually have a lot of great feedback about club day. So if you take a look at those pictures that are included in the connection this week, those are all from our club day. Upcoming for the next few weeks, we do have Picture Day. It is scheduled for Wednesday, March the 9th. And then also we have the Mosaic Workshop. That is a free workshop that is offered by our Youth Service Center. It will be in the SMS cafeteria. Students, if you are interested in participating, you do need to get signed up by this Friday. Please see Mrs. High. For this week, we do have an admin team meeting on Monday. On Tuesday, we'll be hosting a virtual parent night about student BPIs. Parents, if you haven't signed up yet, that link was sent through Remind, I believe, on Friday. Also on Wednesday, we have Miss Thrasher, who is visiting our JAG classrooms, and Hillsborough Elementary and Ewing Elementary will scrimmage each other. Their Governor's Cups will scrimmage each other in Mrs. Sayers' classroom after school. There are currently no events on the calendar for Thursday. And then on Friday, as always, it is Bring It Friday, and we will be having an assembly for our 8th graders with the Shakespeare Company in the auditorium for We the People. This week, we would like to take a moment to recognize our student spotlight, Kate Carpenter. Kate is an 8th grader and a Silver Snakes team member. We have a lot of staff who have had some really great things to say about Kate. They say that they've really watched her blossom during her 8th grade year. She exhibits a strong confidence in her schoolwork and a willingness to participate in class. She is active in our drama club and has been cast as one of the leading roles for our upcoming spring performance. She loves riding horses, and she takes lessons each week in Versailles at the Kentucky Liftoff Equestrian Center. She is taking lessons for hunter jumping, where she maneuvers a horse through a series of obstacles and rails. She also enjoys reading and crocheting, and she is great at making both blankets and sweaters. So congratulations, Kate. Thank you for always bringing it. I can't wait to see the amazing things that you do for the rest of your time here at Simons Middle School, but also as a Fleming County Panther. The Achieve 3000 leaderboard for this week, we do want to congratulate on Monday Stacy Smoot, on Tuesday Ty Gardner, Wednesday Aubrey Jones, Thursday Carly Smoot, Friday Garrett Hamilton. Our weekly top scorer for last week was Ty Gardner, and the two students with the most activities at 75% or above on the first try was Cody Stevenson in grade 7 with 15 and Katie Newsom in grade 8 with 8 activities. That is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week, Cougars.